We have here a mixture of honey, compressed yeast, and a little bit of water because I wash my hands of the yeast. I will add water to the top of the pot. Apparently it is good to give this combination to strawberry plants when they're young, when they're flowering, and when they're forming the strawberries. It's supposed to help them make more strawberries and sweet ones. So I'm gonna give it a try and see how it works. So the article that I read about this mentioned sugar being used, but I don't have sugar, so I think honey is better, so I'm just gonna use that. I mentioned compressed yeast, but dry yeast can be used. It's just what I had in the house. And with many of the things that I do in the garden, I'm doing them for the first time. Although some, like the airplane boxes, I've seen being done by other people, like Akiva Silver, Sean from Edible Acres and others, and I know they work. I've seen several videos. With this I have no idea if it works. I just read an article, and I think I've read it previously as well and forgot about it. But yeah, I don't know if it's gonna do anything. It might be just I don't know, whatever. But I just wanted to show you and document what I'm doing. And so this is how the water looks like now after I mixed the honey with the yeast and the water to help it melt. So I'm gonna add it to the bathtub with strawberries here, and we'll go from there. Okay, I poured all the mixture. This is how it looks like now. It's just basically putting, like, watering the plants, except I put some honey and some yeast in the water. But yeah, we'll see. I look forward to these blossoming soon. I think they will start to blossom. They're forming the flowers. And here we have the hazel saplings, seedlings. But yeah, this is what I wanted to show you. Now I'm going to end the video and go work on the polytunnel area. Still lots of rocks to be removed and a lot of soil sifting. Let's have a look at the airplane beds filled with cob nuts, and they're doing really beautiful. I tested the soil to see if it's doing well or if it needs watering, and it's still moist. I watered yesterday. The wood chips help keeping the moisture, so I'm gonna leave them be. Hopefully we'll have some rain soon. Maybe some mushrooms will pop in the garden, some wine caps, so we can cook with them. But yeah, another beautiful day in Scotland. Oh, and of course, here are the tulips. If you've seen, I say of course, it's a condescending word, but if you've been watching my videos, you've seen several of the videos with the tulips. But here we go again, because these are starting now to bloom. The Antoinette the chameleon, which will start, is that red? Is that pink? Wow, look at that, that's interesting. So that's how they're starting to turn pink and yellow. They're already yellow, of course, but yeah, interesting. I can't wait to see their change, their chameleon change. And we can see here on the edges as well, they're starting to become pinkish. Nice. And these are the blushing beauties and the Dow Jones. They'll be fading soon. These are almost, they're fully opened, so they won't be lasting for much longer. But they've been in bloom for several days. It's been a delight to witness them. Still waiting on the persimmon trees to leaf out. We have the Nikita's gift here and the rose young. And I'm looking forward to the red currants and the black currants and the white currants and the strawberries. Okay, going to work now. And in the evening hopefully I'll be having enough energy to work on the book as well. Thank you for watching.